We know that you're likely familiar with CGC Jhanjeri's NAG grade A+ accreditation, along with our impressive record of over 8,500 plus placement offers, featuring a top package of 45.5 LPA from 800 plus recruiters. Most importantly, our Choose scholarship, valued at Rs 12 crores, provides significant financial assistance. But what you don't know about CGC Jhanjeri is that in our B.Sc Medical Technology, Anesthesia and Operation Theatre program, we dive headfirst into the electrifying realm of anatomy and physiology, pharmacology of anesthetics, operation theatre procedures, emergency management and patient care. Our cutting-edge labs and dynamic clinical training propelling students to excel as anesthesia technologists, surgical technologists, medical technologists, OT technicians and much more. Simply stated, we are pioneering a groundbreaking era in medical technology. सफलता के रंग CGC झंझेरी के संग।